Have you ever wondered what makes you, why your eyes are brown, your hair curly, or your height just the way it is? The answer lies in something smaller than you can ever imagine: DNA. In this video, we're going to break down what DNA is, how it works, and how it decides who you are. No complex biology terms, just simple, visual science. Let's dive into the blueprint of life, your DNA. What is DNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's a long molecule inside every cell of your body. Think of it as your body's instruction manual. Every cell in your body, from your brain to your toes, uses DNA as a guide to know what to do. If your body was a massive factory, DNA would be the master code running every machine. It tells cells when to grow, when to divide, and how to build everything from your bones to your eyelashes. Here's the amazing part. If you stretched out all the DNA in your body, it would reach the sun and back more than 600 times. What does this magical molecule actually look like? Imagine a twisted ladder. That's DNA. We call this shape a double helix. Each step of the ladder is made up of pairs of chemicals called bases. There are 4 of them. A for adenine, T for thymine, G for guanine, and C for cytosine. Here's the rule: A always pairs with T, G always pairs with C. These base pairs form the letters of your genetic code. Just like the letters of the alphabet make up words, these DNA letters make up your body's instruction manual. Now, your DNA isn't just random letters, it's organized into meaningful sections called genes. Each gene gives instructions for making a specific protein, and proteins are what build and run your body. For example, one gene might decide your eye color, another might control how your body digests sugar. Think of genes like recipes in a giant cookbook, each one describing how to make a different dish. Together, your genes create you. But wait, how does all this DNA fit inside a single cell? That's where chromosomes come in. Your DNA is tightly packed and coiled into 46 chromosomes, arranged in 23 pairs. You get 23 from your mother and 23 from your father. That's why you're a mix of both. Every cell in your body, except sperm and egg cells, contains this same set of chromosomes. That means the DNA in your eye cell is the same as in your heart cell, it's just used differently. How DNA makes you unique? Here's the fun part: 99.9% of your DNA is the same as everyone else's. It's that tiny 0.1% difference that makes each of us unique. That's why you might have dimples and your friend doesn't, or why your skin tone and hair texture are different. These small differences are called genetic variations, and they're what make humanity so beautifully diverse. Even identical twins, who share almost the same DNA, can have small differences caused by environment and lifestyle. But DNA isn't perfect. Sometimes, when cells copy DNA, tiny mistakes called mutations happen. Some don't matter at all, but others can lead to diseases like cancer or genetic disorders. Thankfully, your body has incredible repair systems that fix most of these errors before they cause harm. Today, scientists are learning to read, edit, and even design DNA. Technologies like CRISPR allow us to change genes, possibly curing diseases or improving crops. But with great power comes great responsibility, and ethical questions about how far we should go. So, what makes you you? It's your DNA, a microscopic code written billions of times inside you, carrying the story of your past and shaping your future. It's not just science, it's the poetry of life, written in 4 simple letters: A, T, G, and C. Subscribe for more science explained simply.